Good morning, children. Today we are going to see Standard 5 Social Unit 2 Agriculture. Book back question answers. Let's move on to the topic. First, choose the correct answer. Dash is the cultivation of crops. Agriculture. Second, a dash is a person who is engaged in agriculture. Farmer. Third, dash farming refers to the raising of animals along with the crops. Mixed. Fourth, dash monitors the level and nature of groundwater. Central Groundwater Board. Fifth, dash is the largest cotton producing district in Tamil Nadu, Coimbatore. Match the following. Plantation farming, single cash crop. Second, mixed farming, rearing of animals. Third, commercial farming for trade. Fourth, well irrigation, oldest method. Fifth, subsistence farming for family consumption. True or false? Rice is the leading food crop in Tamil Nadu. True. Second, Tamil Nadu has two soil types. False. Third, drip irrigation is a type of micro irrigation system. True. Fourth, jackfruit is an example of plantation crop. False. Fifth, mango is the leading first crop of Tamil Nadu. True. Next, answer the following. First question, what is agriculture? Agriculture is the art and science of preparing the soil for cultivation, growing crops and raising. Second, write about farmers. A farmer is a person who cultivates crops and rears animals. Indians are directly or indirectly involved in agricultural activities. Agriculture is the backbone of our economy. Third question, name the different types of farming. There are several types of farming: subsistence farming, commercial farming, plantation farming, mixed farming. Fourth question, what is well irrigation? Well irrigation has been practiced in Tamil Nadu for many generations. It is a less expensive types of irrigation. Fifth question, give a short note on the Central Groundwater Board. Central Groundwater Board is an organization under the Department of Water Resources. Agriculture in Tamil Nadu is dependent on groundwater. Central Groundwater Board monitors the level and nature of groundwater. Answer in detail. First question, write about mixed and plantation farming. First, mixed farming. Mixed farming refers to the rearing of animals along with the cultivation. This type of farming is economical. Plantation farming. Plantation farming is done in an estate where a single cash crop is cultivated on a large estate, for example tea, coffee and rubber. Second question, explain any two types of irrigation. First, well irrigation. Well irrigation has been practiced in Tamil Nadu for many generations. It is less expensive type of irrigation. Second, canal irrigation. Canal irrigation is the most important form of irrigation in India. Most of the North Indian canals are perennial. The main canal irrigated areas are in the northern plain of India. Third, write about the important crops of Tamil Nadu. Paddy is grown in large areas because rice is the main staple food of the state. The important food crops of Tamil Nadu are rice, maize, jawar, bajra, rahi and pulses. Pulses means Bengal gram, red gram, green gram, black gram and horse gram. Mango and banana are the landing fruit crops of Tamil Nadu.